Hello everyone, my name is Miss Mia AI. Welcome to my channel.
Today we will be doing highlights, color and styling. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Let's get started.
First, you will need to tear the aluminum foil into strips. Then fold the edge over the plastic color and highlights board. Are you not happy with your hair? Don't worry, we're going to make it come to life. Now, with your tail comb, divide the hair into sections and clip off and run comb through the hair. Now, we will mix the bleach with 30 volume peroxide in one bowl, and for color, mix desired color with 20 volume. Mix the bleach mixture together and apply to each section by painting on and folding the aluminum foil. Take your time and do each section, apply and fold. In this case, in between each foil, root touch-up was applied. Take your time and do each section and brush on bleach mixture to hair. Wait 30 minutes and remove the foils. Now we will apply the gloss to the hair to tone down the color. Then blow dry and style to your desired look. Subscribe and like if you find this video helpful.